In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Binance account permanently. Whether you're looking to close your account for privacy reasons or simply because you no longer need it, this guide will walk you through each step. First, you'll want to open your browser, or if you're using your mobile device, open the Binance app. Search for Binance and access the site at binance.com, where you'll be prompted to log into your account with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Binance dashboard, which is your main management hub. On your dashboard, look towards the side where you'll see various options for managing your account. You'll need to scroll to the bottom of these options and find Settings. Click on Settings to continue. Once inside your account's general settings, scroll down towards the lower part of the screen. Here, you'll find the crucial option labeled Delete Account. It's important to note that this step is irreversible, so make sure you really wish to delete your account before proceeding. Once you're certain, beside the Delete Account text, you'll see a button labeled Delete. Click on it to initiate the account deletion process. At this point, you'll be asked to select a reason for deleting your account. Binance provides a list of predefined reasons, so choose the one that best aligns with your situation. For example, you might select No longer want to use this account. Once you've made your selection, click on the Continue button. The system will process your request, which might take a few seconds, so be patient. Next, a Delete Data Retention notice will appear. This is to inform you about the implications of deleting your account, particularly regarding your data. If you're sure about continuing, click Continue once more. Following that, you'll be asked to confirm your agreement to the account closure by checking a box. This step is designed to ensure that you understand the account closure terms. Then, tap Delete Account. Keep in mind that Binance takes security seriously, so you will receive a verification code sent to your registered email address. Check your inbox for this code, and once you locate it, copy the code provided. Return to the Binance account deletion page and enter the verification code you copied from your email. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Binance account. Your account is now closed, and all associated data have been removed from the platform. Remember, this is a permanent action, so think carefully before proceeding with these steps. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.